Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be eating Costa Rican food for 24 hours. I just went there a few weeks ago and I'm just kind of recreating some of the meals I had. And the food there is so good. And I'm also vegan, so everything will be vegan obviously. So I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so I am done making breakfast. I have some black beans, jasmine rice, red peppers, and cilantro. And then I have some plantains and a cup of coconut water. When I was in Costa Rica, we had plantains every day and we had rice and beans every day. Hey guys, so I am outside for lunch and I have some garbanzo beans and potatoes, and I just put like curry seasoning along with vegetable stock, and I like mixed it together to make like a curry sauce. And I know that's like more Indian food, but I had something really similar to that in Costa Rica. I'm not sure if it was curry, but it tastes really similar. And then I also have a kale salad. We didn't have kale in Costa Rica, but we did have like probably like 2 salads out of the whole week we were there. But I like to have salad, like some sort of leaf, at least once a day. So like kale, cabbage, or spinach or something like that. So yeah, I did that. And then we also had a ton of fruit there as well, including melon. So I have some melon. And then we also had a ton of fruit juice. So I have some orange juice. Hey guys, so I'm done making my dinner. So I'm just having some water. And then for the soup, I am having, the base of it is tomato sauce, and to make it a little more soupy, I added some vegetable broth, and then I put in corn, cilantro, parsley, and jasmine rice, and then on top I put avocado and some spinach, and then I'm going to sprinkle some corn tortillas on the soup. I couldn't find any tomato broth that didn't have added sugar and that was vegan, so I just had to do the tomato sauce and then add vegetable broth. And this was actually the very first meal I had in Costa Rica. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to be eating today is this candy I got from Costa Rica. And the only reason I got it was because it had a, it said it was vegan, like it had the vegan symbol on it and stuff. and that's like the only reason I got it. But it actually turned out to be really good. They're like gummy things, and obviously they're gelatin free and everything because they're vegan. This one's strawberry flavored, and this is my last one, so I'm really sad because they're really good and you only can get them there, or you might be able to get them other countries but not in the United States. So yeah, I'm going to have that. And that is all that I'm eating. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. I definitely want to do more videos like this, like eat Chinese for 24 hours, eat Italian for 24 hours or whatever. And I will see you in another video. Bye.